What if I told you there's a YouTube niche that almost no one is talking about, but it's responsible for some of the fastest growing channels on the platform right now? I'm talking thousands of subscribers in days, not months, and completely faceless content that anyone can create. No camera, no voice, no editing experience, just simple videos people can't stop watching. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds like one of those gimmicks. But I'm not just talking theory. This is proof-backed. I launched a test channel using this exact strategy, and within 10 days, I gained over 59,000 subscribers. Not only that, but in just the first 3 days, I pulled in over 300,000 views. And the best part? I spent less than an hour a day doing it. So how did I do it? It wasn't luck. It was a system, a repeatable process that taps into a highly addictive content style people love, paired with automation tools that speed up production like crazy. It's a combo that makes YouTube growth not only easier, but almost predictable. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what this niche is, how to create content for it, what tools to use, even if you're broke, and how to post for max results. Step 1. Finding viral ideas. Let's kick things off with the foundation. Finding viral ideas. If you want to go viral, you need content that's irresistible to click and impossible to watch just once. And that's where quizzes come in. Not the boring kind, but fast-paced visual quizzes people feel compelled to answer. One niche that's blowing up right now is the emoji quiz genre. For example, guess the movie by emoji, or can you name these cartoon characters? It's visual, interactive, and crazy engaging. Just check the comments on any popular quiz video. People are literally competing, bragging about their scores, tagging friends. It's a comment magnet. And why does this matter? Because the YouTube algorithm loves engagement. More comments, more replays, more watch time. All of it tells YouTube that people are loving your video. That leads to more impressions, which leads to more views, and the cycle feeds itself. Here's the beauty of it. Quiz content is inherently rewatchable. If someone gets 7 out of 10 on your quiz, they'll come back later and try again. Some viewers watch the same quiz 3 or 4 times just to beat their last score. That means more views from fewer uploads, a dream scenario for small creators. Your goal? Find quiz topics that are fun, fast, and familiar. Movies, flags, cartoons, logos, even geography. You can spin hundreds of quiz videos out of a single theme, and everyone has viral potential. Step 2. Script creation. Now that you've picked a quiz topic, it's time to write the script. But here's the good news. You don't have to write it from scratch. I use ChatGPT to generate clean, engaging quiz scripts in minutes, perfectly formatted and ready for video. Here's a prompt I use all the time. Create a 10-question emoji quiz about animated movies. Each question should include the emoji puzzle, a 5-second pause instruction, and the answer. Just like that, ChatGPT gives me everything. Guess the movie. Answer, Moana. Simple, fun, and effective. You can also spice it up with different tones. Ask ChatGPT to make the quiz funny, competitive, or themed for holidays. For example, a Halloween emoji quiz in October will skyrocket in search and suggested feeds. It's seasonal content that gets higher traction with zero extra effort. And don't forget your call to action CTA at the end. Something like, comment your score below. Can you beat your friends? It drives comments, and every comment helps your video grow. Plus, people love showing off how many they got right. The script is where it all starts, so make it solid. Once you've got your quiz, you can generate variations, theme it for different audiences, or create part 2s. All that from a single prompt. Step 3. Video creation. Free method. Now let's turn that script into a video. And we're going to do it for free. Enter Canva. You probably know it as a graphic design tool, but Canva's animation features make it perfect for creating clean, quiz-style videos without any video editing experience. Start by designing a simple layout. Add your emoji ad at the top, a question title, a countdown timer, and a spot for the answer. Canva has drag and drop tools that make this super easy. You can even animate the countdown or use fun transitions to keep the pacing snappy. Here's where things get fun. Canva's bulk create tool. Upload your quiz data via spreadsheet, and it can automatically generate dozens of video slides for each question. That means instead of making every slide by hand, you're just managing data, and Canva builds the video for you. Syncing the timing to your script takes a bit of trial and error, but once you've got one template locked in, you can duplicate it endlessly. This free method is perfect if you're just getting started and want to stay lean. The only real downside? It takes time. Expect to create maybe 3 to 5 videos a week depending on your pace. But for $0, it's an incredible way to start building your channel, testing formats, and getting feedback from your audience. Step 4. Video creation. Now, if you're ready to move faster and start building a serious content machine, let's talk about the paid method. Meet Vsub, your new best friend for faceless automated content creation. This platform was literally built to scale channels just like this one. Vsub comes loaded with quiz templates. Just paste in your script, choose your animations and timing, and boom, your entire video is done in under 2 minutes. We're talking full video generation with transitions, sound effects, and even AI voiceovers that sound pro level. There's even a Mr. Beast style voice that adds a bit of hype to your quiz. Want a calmer tone? There are dozens of options, and everything is customizable. Backgrounds, music, fonts, colors. It's drag and drop simplicity, but with powerful automation underneath. What makes this method insane is scalability. With Vsub, you can crank out dozens or even hundreds of videos per week. You can even bulk upload multiple scripts, and the system will auto-generate videos while you sleep. Imagine waking up to 25 finished videos, ready to post. It's not free, but if you've validated your niche and are seeing traction, this is the tool that takes you from hobbyist to full-blown content operation. You're not just saving time, you're building a video factory. You've got the videos. Now let's talk about uploading the right way. First pro tip, upload from your phone. Why? Because the YouTube app lets you set custom thumbnails from your device. This can drastically boost your click-through rate (CTR) and help your video stand out. Use thumbnails that look like puzzles, big emojis, bold text like, "Can you guess this?" and timers or scorecards. Thumbnails should scream interactive so people can't resist clicking. Use Canva or Thumbnail Maker to design them fast. For posting frequency, go with 2 videos a day, one in the morning, one in the evening. This gives you double the algorithm exposure and lets you test different titles and thumbnails. Consistency is key, especially in the first 30 days of your channel. And finally, always include a strong call to action in your description and pinned comment. Link to playlists to boost watch time. Ask viewers to comment their score. And don't forget to tease what's coming next. Keep them coming back for more. In my next video, I'll show you a text-only niche that's exploding right now. You don't even need to use emojis, just text and music. It's ridiculously easy and has even lower competition. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss it.